Hey, this is Andrew with Jumper, and so with this video we're going to show you how you can use Jumper, Facebook ads, and ManyChat. So what we're going to do here in the Jumper thing is we're going to select a product, the one up here where it says Safety Now, and then you're going to see here that once you're going to select a post that you create, and you're going to put that you're going to put the first initial comment to fire up the Facebook Messenger bot. So we have it as yeah, and I'm going to show you that in a second. But what's really cool is that you go into your ManyChat, you'll go into Growth Tools, you'll select Facebook comments, and then what you'll do is you'll select your posts. And so you select the post here, then you say, oh, I want to fire up the messenger after 3 seconds when somebody types in yeah, and then what will happen is that the messenger bot will go up, and then there will be a secondary message after that which will show up as an autoresponder, and that comes from after they type that in. In here is where Jumper is going to take over. You do the Safety Now, and then for the opt-in actions, I just leave it as standard. So here is the Safety Now, because we put that into the Facebook Messenger, into the ManyChat auto response. And so when they click that or they type that in the post, it's going to fire up you can see how it is over here. So what will happen is that you type in yeah, as you can see there, and then over here, once that comes up, it says, hey, comment Safety Now, and when you do that, then what will happen is it will start the Jumper buying process, right? So there it is, watch. And here's where Jumper takes over. Boom, let's go grab that product, and fantastic, it knows our name, and it says buy now. And once you click the buy now, then it's going to take you through the whole checkout, put your address, credit card, and boom, you're done. You're pretty much, you're all complete with that, which is really, really awesome. And in literally two clicks, you can have checkout from there. So again, you take that product, right, and then from that product, when they do the hashtag, it brings up to that, it shoves the orders, it takes the orders that you've got, and it puts it and it fulfills it right into Shopify. It's so simple, right? There's nothing to do on that, and so that order gets passed through, and that's pretty much it. So if you have other questions, feel free to reach out to us.